So I made this 2 seconds slower in the quarter mile. I made it almost 3 seconds slower to 0 to 60 because I can't rev. So I actually made this car slower with a $500 turbo kit. So there you go. That's the science. Make sure you follow along for more, because before I take this all apart and I finish getting the CRV back together, I want to try the Honda. I might be able to get something to work.
Oh yeah. What? Dude, there's enough rubber over here to start a playground.
Nice! Rubber chunks! It worked great, man.
Good morning.
Guys, look! Look at the rubber residue, and it's still smoking. Yes! That was awesome.
The level is 0 to carry Underwood. That's pure Cheyenne Plain.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Alright guys, hope you had an awesome 4th of July. There you go, the smoke showed, the burnout. Got the clutch to work. We got some smoke for ya. So that's my smoke bomb for the day, since I didn't get any other fireworks this year. Alright guys, that is the update. I got Honda on it. It definitely runs a lot better. I've had a little bit better times. If you follow my Instagram, you see more updates on it. You can even see a little bit of that little smoke show you had. So follow me on the old Instagram, Facebook. But hey, there's the follow-up with the turbo, $500 turbo challenge car. If I had a little more in the budget to do a chipped ECU and get just a pre-tuned chip, I think this car would have done even better than it did. But yeah, now it's a little faster than it was originally. Thank goodness we made it faster with some Honda. But you're talking about a $500 or $600 system and some hackery tuning by someone who has no idea how to do it. So yeah, that's the update. Thanks for tuning in on this. There's more to come with the old EF sedan. We'll see how far we can take it with the Honda. Get the red lines, get the boost. I'll do a few more runs after the holiday week is over, because the roads are insane. I can't get it gets all passed. By the time I get going, I catch up to the cars before another car comes, and it's just not working. We just want to be safe with everything. So have a great night, have a great 4th, have a great weekend. Be safe, have fun, do some crazy stuff. Turbo your car for $500, go spend another $500 on Honda and have it tuned right. Then you can do some boosting. Alright guys, till next time.